In today's video, I am going to teach you how to make free website with Squarespace. To begin, open your web browser and go to squarespace.com. Once the homepage loads, look for the button that says Get Started and click it. This takes you into the website building flow, where Squarespace will guide you toward a design that fits what you are creating. Next, you will choose a template. Squarespace templates are pre-designed layouts that you can customize, so you do not have to build a website from scratch. Take a moment to browse through the categories so you can narrow down your options. For example, if you are creating an online store, you can explore the e-commerce category. If you are showcasing creative work, the portfolio category can be a better match. If you are promoting a business like consulting, coaching, or any local service, the services category is usually the most relevant. As you click through templates, focus on the overall structure, like where the header, images, and text blocks sit, rather than the sample photos or example wording. All of that content is only a placeholder and can be replaced later. If you prefer a more guided setup, you can use Squarespace Blueprint. This is optional, but it can be helpful if you want a simple starting point that matches your needs. Choose the option that lets you build your own, then select the sections you want included in your site. For instance, you might add a hero section at the top for a strong first impression, a features section to highlight what you offer, and a footer for your basic site information. The advantage of Blueprint is that it helps you assemble a clean layout quickly without having to guess which sections to add. After you pick your design, you can start editing right away. You will be taken into the editor, where you can click on areas of the page to change text, swap images, and adjust the layout. Move slowly and make one change at a time so you can clearly see what each edit affects. If you want a polished look, keep your formatting consistent, such as using similar image styles and keeping your headings uniform across the page. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.